What's up, folks? So Google Pixel 5 with Evolution X 11.4.1, which is an Android 16 based custom ROM for the Pixel 5, and this is what it's like so far. Just close to 24 hours with the ROM installed on the phone. Now, I'll say a couple of things that I'll get out the way first. One is the Pixel camera. So installing the latest version of Pixel camera will cause it, not the phone, but like the app to crash. No matter how many times you try to open the camera, it'll crash. So what I did to fix that problem is I went in on APK Mirror to find a very old version of the Pixel camera, and that seems to work. And it tells you here that there's an update available. I would avoid updating, as I tried that out after installing an old version of Pixel camera. I went ahead and went into Play Store and then updated it, and as soon as it took the update, it started to crash again. So there's something about the latest version of the Pixel camera that doesn't work with this ROM, so don't install it. It does have a camera that's already on the ROM itself, but it's not a very good one in my opinion, so I don't like using it. So I would say, just find an old version of the Pixel camera and install that. I think it may have to do with the fact that the Pixel camera is not a system app. Could be. I don't know why the developers went with a different camera app for photography, but I mean, that's here or there. So anyway, that's like the only real issue that I've experienced with Evolution X 11.4.1. Everything else seems to be working pretty decent. Display wise, it's pretty responsive and actually pretty quick too. I don't have 90 hertz turned on, and it kind of feels like it's edging towards 90 hertz refresh, so that's nice. The fluidity is there. A lot of the other apps are compatible, having no issues at all whatsoever, like using Pinterest or Threads, TikTok, X, YouTube. I mean, they're all working just fine. The developer did put in the 7-side cookie for the icon. That's not something that you would need a Material 3 Expressive to have, so you can definitely do this already. And yeah, I mean, it brings a nice aesthetic to the user interface and whatnot. As far as network compatibility, I am picking up 5G on Metro by T-Mobile. Of course, this is the Pixel 5, which was using 5G NSA. So yeah, you don't see the 5G ultra capacity logo on the top there, but that's okay though. I mean, speeds have been pretty decent. I haven't had any problems at all. They were needed to connect to Wi-Fi in order to use anything, unless I want to be on Wi-Fi. I did try one phone call with my daughter, so I can tell you guys the audio is decent on the call in itself, especially since the Pixel 5 doesn't have a top firing speaker. I mean, that's underneath the display. So yeah, but the phone calls was still pretty decent. And even putting it on speakerphone sounded okay. It's not a squawk box or anything like that, but it's not like punchy like the newer Pixels or anything. So yeah, I would say that phone calls would be just fine. Messaging, everything else works. I mean, it works. So big shout out and kudos to the developer who developed for the Pixel 5. I wish they would do the same for the Pixel 5a. I'm just saying. But yeah, so this is just a quick update at close to 24 hours after. I'll have a full review on the ROM in itself within a couple of days. So keep it locked on the channel, sub, do all that cool stuff, and I'll talk to you on the next one.